Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hey, what's up? Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and if you were here from before, what's up? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Patrick Star setting powder, and I'm just going to really test this stuff out. I'm sure you guys saw a lot of reviews on it, but I wanted to do my own review. I tried this out in the video, so if you want to see a review and like my makeup routine kind of video, this is my daily routine that I do, like when I go out or if I just want to go natural. This is what I do on a daily basis, and then I just added this product and whatnot. Don't mind my nails, I need to get them done, I know, but don't you think the packaging is cute? It matches my backdrop. Oh my god, it's so cute. I really love it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, if you want to see how I created this kind of natural look, then continue to watch. So the first thing I'm going to do, yes, I'm going to moisturize with my favorite moisturizer, the Ultra Repair Cream. I got it from Sephora and it's really good. I love it. I've been using it for like 2 years now and I'm in love with it. See? We have to take the top off and squeeze it to get some product out. That's where I'm more dehydrated at. Now I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Hangover Primer, and I've actually loved this stuff too. I'm probably gonna get the bigger size because it's really good, especially for people with dry skin. Good primer. It's very tacky when it dries up, but yet it's moisturizing and nourishing at the same time. So I'm gonna take my favorite foundation. This is the Lancome foundation. I actually really love this. This is my summer foundation color, so it's pretty kind of dark on me, so I'm gonna mix that in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 235, because this is my winter color. But this is kind of too light, so I'm just gonna mix the two to get a perfect match.
Change anything and make it better together. Now we're strong, don't question it. The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back.
Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX HD concealer in the color 06, and then I'm gonna go in with my Age Rewind Maybelline concealer stick to conceal up my face. Honestly, can't wait to try the Patrick Star powder on my face. Well, we're gonna let that dry, so be right back. Now we're just gonna blend everything out. Concealer is gorgeous. I'm just gonna take my L.a Girl contour thingy in the color Espresso and contour a bit. Now we're gonna use the Patrick Star setting powder. I'm so excited to use this because you know when you hear good things about a product, you just get so excited to use it. So, you know. So let's talk about the price. Let's talk about the product itself. So the price is around $34, but I know in MAC I spent about $37.50, around that range. It's pink. Yep, it's really pink. It's, oh my god, I can't wait to use this. So yeah, let's get to using this because I'm really excited to use it. Oh my god. Whoa, okay. Okay. So this is really like shocking to me how beautiful this powder is. Like, you guys see how like you can barely see the powder. Like, I like powder that does that. You can just, it's just like a natural finish. It just sets the makeup and it just melts into your foundation. It's just so good. Alright, let's test. What the hell? Guys, this powder is so good. Wow. I really like this powder. I do not regret buying it either. It is kind of like the Laura Mercier powder. It just gives a different like color to it. I don't know, like I feel like the peachness basically blends into the foundation. I don't know what it is about it. It's just so nice. It's so flawless. Head clapping, hands shaking, heart breaking. There's no faking what you feel when you ride it home. Yeah. Music's in my soul. That's beautiful. I'm gonna take my Hola bronzer and I'm gonna bronze up my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna use NYX liner to line out my eyes. I'm not gonna do a wing liner. I don't really like how wing liners look on me because I have small little hooded eyes. So now I'm gonna use the NYX pencil and do my waterline. I'm gonna do mascara and I'm using Define Lash Mascara by Maybelline. I swear, I have everything Maybelline. So I'm going to apply some lashes and I'll be right back. So now I'm going to take my glow kit, the Anastasia one, and I'm going to use the color Gumdrop and Butterscotch. Ah, whoa, my fault. My fault, Anastasia. Now I'm going to line my lips using the Estee Lauder Double Wear lip pencil in the color Rose. Now I'm going to use my Estee Lauder lipstick in the color Pure Color Envy lipstick, where I don't know. It just says all this other stuff. I'll list it in the description. I like this lipstick. Look, it's a magnet. It's cute. It's good. This is that perfect nude for light skin or medium skin tone. Now to end this makeup look, I'm going to set my face using the e.l.f. primer spray. Setting spray. And so make sure you guys, before you leave, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I am trying to grow this channel and make it big. I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe and whatnot. And I hope you guys really like this makeup tutorial. It's simple. It's an everyday wear. So make sure you guys leave a thumbs up. And I'll see you on my next video. Love you.